Good afternoon once again. We'll continue with the topic personality development. The next point is get out of your comfort zone. If you want to succeed in your life, you want to develop your personality, then definitely you have to come out from your comfort zone. Be prepared to challenge yourself by learning new skills. For most people, it is a huge learning curve. Start an online business, so you must have a very positive, open-minded attitude and embrace any change you need to make. So if you want to develop your personality, if you want to attain something in your life, you have to accept the challenges uh, of your life, and you have to come out from your comfort zone. Don't fear failure. Don't worry about making mistakes. You'll make loads in your journey, and a lot of them may hold you back for a while, but once you have made them, these methods can be eliminated and you can move on. It is learning by doing. Definitely, when you do something first, for an instance, for first time you may fail, for second time you may fail, but at the end you will succeed. But if you fear for failure, then you will not do anything. Next is make yourself known. You have to become a brand. If you show your personality as a brand, you'll just take care of your personality. Just as a politician or a great leader or a saint or a spiritual leader makes himself known in the society, then only he takes care. If he did a small mistake, the society is watching him. So brand yourself in all your communications. Whatever you are going to speak, it should be as a spoken piece of a brand. Whatever content you put out, there is a slice of your personality, so it should depict your personality. So make sure it shows you in a positive light. If it is you are trying to sell to other people, so the more personal the message, the better. Come across as a leader. Whatever you learn and however little you know, use it well. Whatever the information, whatever the knowledge you are having, you should just pass on to others. You should show yourself as a leader. Become an authority on whatever topic you tackle. Then you have the knowledge to pass it on to others, and if you put your message across in the right way, you'll attract followers. Express yourself and always do whatever you say. Effort and consistency. This is linked to your daily plan but is crucial. Marketing your business every day with relevant and sustained effort is much better than the huge bursts of activity once a month. Effort and regularity will win the day every time. The best, or we can say the important message for you people, the students and the teachers also. If you are doing your work on daily basis or having a daily plan, then there will be not a burst on you, huge burst on you during the time of examination. If you read or memorize a lesson per day, it will become easy for you at the time of examination. Don't give up. I know this sounds like an obvious one into an end, but there are loads of people who literally could have made it through with only a few more weeks or months of effort. They had done everything right apart from seeing it through to success, and it was just the final bit of relief that prevented them. So every person can achieve anything. It is not just like that. Of course, destiny is dear, but a person's hard work can change his destiny. Because of destiny, he gives up just a few seconds ago, just a few days ago. If you will never give up, you will achieve everything. So you should never give up. Be funny and don't be serious always. Here again, I will tell you the quote: if you laugh, the world will laugh with you. If you weep, no one will weep with you. You should be funny. Don't be serious always. No one likes boring and serious people. You'll be enjoyed. You'll be accompanied by a company. If you are funny, if you are boring, no one will give you company. Do not beat around the bush just to make others laugh. Try to add fun while having the conversation. Others will naturally be attracted to you. Other important personality development tips are: keep a smart head and keep cool. Don't copy anyone. Create your own personal style. Don't doubt yourself. Be an active listener. Learn to have patience and focus on your communication skills. Be polite and gentle with your words. Be executive in dress. Don't shout or be aggressive. Be more passionate about your work and be optimistic. Accept and recognize your weak points. Important point: if you accept and recognize your weak points, you definitely your personality will develop. Thank you.